Now, what's really cool, and this is another aspect of our Gen AI capabilities, is in the top right, we have an explain button. So before, again, we want to make this so as many people as possible can use it and be successful with it. The chart we were just looking at, that may have required, again, some domain expertise on the line to interpret, to make sense of. With this explain button, what we're trying to do is what we are effectively doing is ingesting everything you just saw on your screen. So it took into account the stations I filtered for and the time range that I was looking at. And it's going to analyze that data. It does a RAG analysis via Google Gemini, which is our platform we leverage right now. And it will return a really nice summary of insights based on the data I had in my view. So I won't read this all into detail, but you can see here we have top three bottleneck assets, ranking by downtime. So we're seeing, okay, in that chart, these are the key things to OEE, right? Like where am I over cycle? Where am I down? Where am I getting blocked and starved? Where is there a line flow issue? It also provides you some overall recommendations too. So it uses natural language to interpret the data to then give you some recommendations on how to go and work at some corrective actions. So it's a really, really nice little report card and summary of all your information that you can get right at your fingertips. This can be printed out, posted on a bulletin board. It could be an end of shift summary. I mean, however you want to use it, you can use it. But the key is it's a lot of very detailed data that's been interpreted and simplified. So again, the ease of use is something we really want to emphasize because Industry 4.0 solutions can be challenging to master, and the data can always come into question. And these are really areas of focus for us where we want to put everybody's mind at ease and we want to take pride in because we don't want to sell something that we can't stand behind. And absolutely, those are two of the most important things is ease of use and data accuracy.